Hello viewers, welcome to Whole Square IT. Let's see how to download Microsoft Office 2019 on your computer, because we are using all of the software in our previous tutorial there in Microsoft Office 2019. So let's see how to download it completely free on your computer, because Microsoft don't give you this access this software free. So you have to crack this software. So at first you have to open a browser on your computer, then type our official website name wholesquareIT.com and press enter. Then you can see the first interface of our official website, and scroll down and here you can see Microsoft Office 2019, or you can search it on search bar and then open the file you have to install on your computer for Microsoft Office 2019. It's on Mega. I just shared this file using Mega. So if you want to download this file, you have to open or create a free account on Mega. You can download this file easily. After download, you have to extract this file on your computer. So let's see how to extract this file. I just going to the directory. I will download this file. So let's see how to extract. Just double click this file and make sure your WinRAR software are installed in your computer, and the password was myfreesoftware.com, and then press enter and choose a directory you want to extract your file, then press OK. Then you can see our software file are extracting. It will be take as couples minute. There you can see the file are extracted, and after open this folder you can see all of the file you need to install Microsoft Office 2019. So let's mount Microsoft Office 2019 on your computer. Double click to Microsoft Office 2019, then close this window, then go to this PC. Then you can see here is a DVD file on your computer, and into it all of the files you need to install Microsoft Office. So double click to Microsoft Office, then you can see an interface like this, and then choose Microsoft Office 2019 Pro from here, this drop down menu, and press install Office. Then you can see the installing process here started on your computer. It will be take some time. It's dependent on your computer RAM or ROM and the processor you have on your computer, and make sure your Windows 10 are installed on your PC, because this Microsoft Office 2019 not work in other version of Windows. It's only work Windows 10. So here you can see it's installed. Then let's see it's successfully installed or not. Here you can see Access 2019 Excel, then Microsoft Office file, then Outlook, PowerPoint, then Word. So let's activate the Pro version. For activate subscription, you have to right click on Activator and select Run as Administrator. Then you can see an interface like this. Then you are successfully installed Microsoft Office 2019 on your computer. So let's see how to uninstall it. By going Control Panel, select Apps, then scroll down and find Microsoft Office 2019 and double click on it, and you can see uninstall button and click uninstall to uninstall it. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.